Here we have the Doubletree by Hilton Hotel at the entrance of Universal Studios Orlando. A mere 20-minute walk away from the park, and it costs less than $70 a night to stay in. Take a look at our little review of this wonderful, affordable and cheap little theme park hotel. Here we go, the lobby. Doesn't look like a hotel that I got for $61 a night, does it? It actually looks fancy. So you got two towers, North Tower and the South Tower. On the left is the North Tower, and behind me is the South Tower. We go past the American Grill, the 18th floor. I'll just give you a little tour as well. I'm giving you a tour before I get to my floor. I regret being on the top floor already. This is taking ages. That took us so long. Right, also, I got given free cookie, not just one. I got 2 free cookies. We don't get free cookies at Doubletrees in the UK. That's like $10 worth of cookie off my bill already. This is much nicer than I was anticipating. Here we go, 1839. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. We've got complimentary water, which is handy in this weather. Put my cookie down. Right. Oh my, let's have a look at this view. Oh, that's not a park view. It is part of the Universal band of it's not like a main Universal hotel, but it's part of a partnership with the theme park, which means that it does have a shuttle bus that takes people to the park that you can catch to the hotel, but it's only once in the morning, I believe, and once at night. So with the event that I'm going to, finishing very late, I'll probably be walking back at 2 o'clock in the morning. So we got this lovely big TV, big TV, coffee. This is way better than I was expecting. Way better than I was expecting. That one's locked. We've got a safe, that's good. Lots of storage space, ironing board and iron. Big air conditioning unit. It's cold as hell in here. It's cold as hell. What? This is so big. Hairdryer, towels, lots of towels, hand towels and bath towels. What have we got here? Deodorant, soap. We got a bath, so I can have a bath later. We've got the shampoo at all the Hiltons that make my hair all frizzy every single time. Unfortunately, that will not happen this time because the Turkish barbers took pretty much all my hair off. So, yeah. Can't use that. But what a lovely little room. We got a fridge. Keep everything cool in there. Got to check it out, haven't I? It's like a rite of passage. That's a big cookie. It's literally the size of my head. Oh, I'm staying here again. It's so affordable and it's so tasty. Right, so I just turned on the tally and have a look at this. You've got like an on-demand service in the hotel where you can watch films that are still in the theatres. Sneaky. Got my hopes up. Got my damn hopes up for nothing. I'm not paying that for M. Night Shyamalan. The Doubletree Hilton by the Universal entrance. Just to re-clarify for those who probably maybe skipped a little bit of the video, just to let you know. It's a nice little walk, very straightforward. I haven't seen anybody documenting the walk from the hotel to the actual park, so I'm sure there is videos out there. I just haven't seen any in relation to theme park stays, theme park trips and stuff like that. So I'll do the walk for you. I'll document as much as I can because I don't want to take you on a 20-minute walk and just record for 20 minutes and bore you to death. So I'll just give you a good indication of where to go. It's nice and easy, but like I say, if you really don't want to walk, you can Uber it for less than $10, and there is shuttle buses as well, but they must be booked down in reception first for whatever times it is. Onwards to Universal Studios. Now, as you come out of that hotel, you can see that little footbridge across the way. We've got to head towards that and cross over and onto the other side. So with them two in the background, if you just come out, you've got the bridge and the main crossing, and we get forward to the other side, and we should see a nice little Universal sign, which means the second we see it, we're on Universal property straight away. There you go, it's on the other side of the road. I just get lost walking around my estate, and then suddenly I'm in Florida. I know exactly where I'm going. It's lovely and simple. It's a 20-minute walk, 15 if you've got the legs in you. But for $61, you're sacrificing a 20-minute walk. Come on now, easy. So as we come across, straight to the other side of the bridge. God bless this bridge, because there's no way that I'll ever be crossing that whatsoever. Right, so we're just coming down on the other side of the road now. We made it. You can see the lovely Universal Orlando Resorts, because we're just heading into the hotel section of Universal Orlando, where all the hotels are inclusive of that shuttle service, and it's straight all the way down, and I mean all the way down. Now this is a lovely little walk. I think at night time it'll be a little bit more spooky, a bit more eerie maybe, but you're kind of on property. It's just that last bit at the end where you're just coming off property. I don't think it'd be too bad, because other people will be walking back to the hotel, but if you're a little bit wary, and you don't want to walk back at night time, then an Uber will probably cost you less than $10 to get back to your hotel. I checked online just in case, because the event finishes at 2 o'clock in the morning, so if I've had a drink, maybe I'll just jump in an Uber, and it was coming to about $6 to $8 depending on the time of night. So yeah, there is an option there if you just can't be bothered to walk back, or you don't feel comfortable walking back. Right, we're now coming up to Universal Boulevard, and this will be the only set of traffic lights that you have to cross to the other side of the road. As you can see, the walk is fairly straightforward. You've got the main walkway there that goes down to the escalators, and it's literally just at the end of this road. And as you can see, that stadium looking metal structure there, that's actually part of the first entrance of the Citywalk, with the crazy golf on the right hand side, and you just come out by the escalators. So we just simply walk down here, and you'll see very soon the security check-in, where you just pop your bags down, get them scanned, and go straight in. It's so easy. It's not too far whatsoever. On a lovely day like today, it's the perfect nice little walk, and it's an absolute bargain price. Alright, and that little walk brings us to the security check-in. Straight by the crazy golf on the right hand side, just before Citywalk.
A few moments later.
I think we've taken a wrong turn.